Hey, welcome back. Let's talk about the brain map appointment very briefly in this Xpress lane because you have a whole lesson on the brain map appointment. But I just want to remind you that there's a script for the brain map appointment. And actually, since I made the first video, we have transitioned things at Lee Brain and Spine in a positive way, at least for me, in that my husband now does the brain map sessions, and I've recorded the portion where I talk about how brain mapping works, how neurofeedback works, a little bit of the science behind it, how medications are impacted, the slides that you have. So you can do one of two things. You can either continue to do that for each person, and I do think it's important to build rapport. I've had to spend a little bit more time building rapport with people. My husband builds rapport in the first session, and I'm still doing the report of findings just because people do want to interact with me. But if you use the video, then my husband comes in and he takes a brief history and is able to build rapport with people. And then our technician takes the brain map, performs the brain map using the technician script below. So you have to go back to the module on brain mapping to revisit the video and the process and how to do the brain map. But you can have your technician use this script below, which is also available in the brain map session, and make sure that a person gets an awesome brain map so that they are committed and they are excited to come back for the report of findings. So stay tuned for the next lesson because we're going to talk about the consultation briefly and then move on to the report of findings. Stay tuned.